Hello, this is Kari Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing um, a dinosaur. The T Rex, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, is very popular in those Jurassic Park movies. And I'm going to draw it. So, first start off with, of course, the head. T Rex usually has large heads. And to draw the jaw. Let's see. Kind of like that. Gonna draw the teeth that's inside the jaw. Gotta sharpen my pencil out quick. Okay, going to go to drawing. Going to draw the body. Let's see. Now, so I can do like a simple head turn. Let's see if I can. This will be the tail, because he's turning his head to see what the surroundings are. Going to, let's see, just, T-Rex usually have small arms. I'm going to draw the body a little bit bigger. His head's a little large. Well, T-Rex's heads are usually very large, but not like taking up the entire body. Sharpen pencil a little bit more. Okay. But drawings usually don't take this very long to draw. Pencils usually don't break in the middle of the videos. Draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw the other nose. Yep, that's the. Let's see, I can make more changes a little bit to the back. I don't think I changed it that well, but maybe did the change mess up the drawing a little bit? Because I think I making a lot of corrections here. Yep, and that's the T-Rex. I think I kind of messed up here on the back a little bit, but I think it turned out okay. And that's the T-Rex.